Air Signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, kamusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing okay. So, for today guys, gagawin natin ang yung September 1st to the 7th tarot reading. Tingnan natin guys kung ano ba mga dapat yung asahan, especially sa inyong love life from September 1 to 7th, 2025. Please take note as well that this is just a general reading. Maaari kayo makaresonate, maaari namang hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Okay? And also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Alright? Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and check. Kamusta ba si Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius from September 1 to 7 sa kanilang love life? So, one last shuffle. Saan naman kayo dyan, guys? So, hope everyone's doing great. Alright, so let's see. Kamusta si Gemini, Libra, Aquarius from September 1 to 7? You have here healing, releasing. So, maring you're gonna be healing or you will be releasing something para mag-heal by September 1 to 7. I'm hearing you kind of like giving up something, choosing love over something. Maaring yung mga past hurts or past burdens, ile-let go mo na para makagaan ang loob mo. I'm seeing here like a door. Okay, can you see that? Like a door of something. So, parang may ile-let go ka na pintong sarado para kind of magbukas muli. I'm hearing muli. Magbukas muli, okay, para magkaroon ng bagong usbong ng pag-asa sa, I think, of course, this is love, so in love, okay, I think you will be choosing love over anything else. A once door that is closed, kakalimutan mo na yung mga negative na nangyari, mga past na nangyari hindi naging maganda, kakalimutan mo yung mga grudges, sama ng loob, mga hindi nagawa. Okay, para sa mas fulfilling na relationship. What else? Air signs. Air signs from September 1 to 7. Air signs from September 1 to 7. You have your unexpected. So, may bagay na mangyari na hindi mo inaasahan from September 1 to 7. I'm hearing this is something na will caught you off guard. Okay, something na hindi mo nakikita na mangyayari pala. Okay? Maybe isa itong tao na bigla na lang magpaparamdam. Maybe isa itong tao na matagal mo lang hindi nakakausap na bigla ka na lang makakarinig ng balita or bigla na lang susulpot. Maaaring bagay na tingin mo na let go mo na pero babalik pa pala. Okay? What else for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air signs? You have here love. Okay. Love. So, there's a strong affection for someone. Okay, maaaring ang unexpected na bagay na hindi mo nakikita na mangyayari sa'yo is from someone you love or someone who loves you. Okay? But definitely, there's strong affection between you and someone else. Okay? I'm hearing, akala ko wala na. Akala ko tapos na. Hindi pa pala. We have decided to go on. We have decided to move on successfully or move forward with our lives together. Mas pinili namin na intindihin yung isa't isa, patawarin yung isa't isa, and piliin ang isa't isa. Okay? So, let's go ahead and check. Ano ba ang mga possible na mangyari from August 1st to the 7th kay Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. August. Yeah, can you see that? Mayroon dito na parang from non-talking, from being closed off, I think someone will speak up. This could happen in the recent past. This could happen between September 1 to 7. So, anong mga dapat asahan ni Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius from September 1 to 7? You got here the Knight of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, but someone here is kinda like wants to approach you slowly. Okay? Maaring hindi ka nawala sa isip nitong tao na to. Maaring kahit hiwalay kayo, gusto pa rin nila mag-offer sa inyo, gusto pa rin nila na mag-offer kayo sa kanila. They want to repair the relationship kahit magkalayo kayo. Gusto nilang bumalik sa inyo, gusto nila na mag-ayos kayo. Gusto nilang buuin nyo yung either pamilya or home life na minsang pinramis nyo sa isa't isa. This person wants to offer something with you. With the Page of Swords here, I think there was an instance before na hindi kayo magkausap ng person na to. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So you could also be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Possibly someone younger. Okay, na Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But there could be some kind of no talking. Okay? Like, hindi kayo nag-uusap ng person na to. There's been some shut off energies na mas pinili na lang ng isa na talikuran yung isa. Huwag nakausapin yung isa naman wala nagawa, kundi tumahimik na lang din. But there is definitely an air of no talking in the past. Could be stalking as well because the Page of Swords talks about stalking. Nine of Cups. But deep down inside, ikaw ang wish fulfillment ng taong ito. Or could be also you towards them. Okay? Kahit di kayo magkausap, kahit may sama ng loob sa'yo itong tao na to, deep down, okay, deep down, alam nila na ikaw ang wish fulfillment nila. Deep down, alam nila na kapag ikaw yung pinurso nila, magkakaroon sila ng sense of stability and fulfillment. Knight of Swords. Ngayon, gusto kang kausapin ng person na to. Gusto ng person na to na some kind of communication with you. Okay? Some kind of communication. Another air sign. By the way, we have here as well water sign. Especially Cancer. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Knight of Swords. May gustong kumausap sa'yo. Out of the blue. Okay? May gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. May gusto dito mag-express ng something na nararamdaman nila sa'yo. Bunod pa tayo ng ibang cards. Ano pa? Ang dapat malaman ng air sign? You have your Page of Wands. So, maaaring nangyari na to, no? Na meron, I'm seeing both of you naaalala nyo ang isa't isa. Kahit di kayo mag-usap. Naalala nyo isa't isa, nililingon nyo yung mga pinagdaanan nyo, yung mga memories nyo together, na magkasama pa kayo. Maaari ding may third person in the mix kasi may nakikita ako dito na other like being sa gitna, no? So may pumapagitna sa inyo ibang tao na hinahadlangan the relationship na to. Maaring once blooming yung relationship nyo, everything is fulfilling, tas biglang nagka-problem, biglang nanlata, biglang ayaw na. Okay? Dati okay naman, dati stable kayo. Tapos biglang out of the blue, parang nawala ng gana yung isa sa inyo. Tapos parang pinili na lang i-let go. Or pinili na lang na magdesisyon na umalis. Or magdesisyon na parang ayoko na, hindi na ako masaya, sawa na ako, iba na gusto ko. Mga ganong type of energy na maybe sa ibang lugar makakakita ako ng mas maayos na sitwasyon para sa sarili ko. And so the Tower happened. The Tower. Okay? Layo ko ng konti. And so the Tower happened. Hindi to break it to you gently, but break it to you abruptly. Okay? Maaaring bigla lang nakipag-usap sa inyo yung person nyo na ayoko na, sawa na ako, tigil na natin to. Or maaari din may nalaman ka na ikinagulat mo. Okay? Maaring may nalaman ka na talagang wala kang magagawa kundi sumuko. Maaring may nalaman ka, or maybe this could be your partner as well, na aalis na yung person mo and ayaw niya na. And parang decided na siya dun. And parang ikaw tong walang magawa. Okay? This could be vice versa. Take it however it resonates with you. Take note that roles can be reversed as well. So, ano pa ang dapat nilang asahan by September 1 to 7? You got your Ace of Pentacles. Magkakaroon ng bagong simula between you and that person again. Okay? Someone in the connection will offer something towards the other. Usog ko pa ulit. Okay? Someone in the connection mag-offer ng bagong beginning, a new sense of hope, a renewal, okay? Towards a new beginning between the both of you. Maaaring isa sa inyo nakita na maaaring ikinagulat. Okay, maaaring ito yung unexpected kanina. Ikinagulat na bigla na lang sumulpot yung isa sa inyo. At nag-decide na pwede ba akong bumalik? Gusto kong i-work on to sa'yo. Kasi akala mo wala na. Or akala ng person mo tapos na lahat. It's the end for the both of you. So this card also wants to come out. Okay, World card. So, out of the blue, magpaparamdam tong person na to from the other side of the world, from the other side of kung nasan man sila, no? And there will be a sense of fulfillment and completion of a cycle between the both of you and magsisimula ulit. Okay? Akala mo tapos na, hindi pa pala. Okay? Akala mo katapusan na lahat, pero may pag-asa pa pala. Okay? Akala mo wala na yung binibuild yung home life, family life. Pero, meron pa pala pag-asa. Okay, with the Three of Swords here, I think there's really a third party. Okay? I think there's really a third party and I'm sensing na maaring may masaktan sa sitwasyon, which is yung third party. Kunwari, ikaw air sign, ang partner mo si earth sign. Tapos may third party na si fire sign. Kapag nangyari itong dalawa na to, si fire sign yung masasaktan. Okay, you get me? So there will be a person, okay, na masasaktan when this happens. I don't know why I'm getting that, but someone kasi may nagbalik, merong may masasaktan. And I'm sensing as well here that you will try to recover, okay, from what happened. You will try to recover from what happened, from whatever heartache, heartbreak na nangyari sa inyo. Okay? I'm kind of confused though. What is the Three of Swords all about? Gusto ko lang ng kalinawan pa. Star card, which talks about healing and wishes being granted. Three of Cups. Yeah. What I'm getting here is kapag nag-reconnect kayo ng person na to, air sign, merong malulungkot, merong masasaktan, merong madedepress. Could be moon. Could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Cancer or a Pisces. Kasi yun lang naman ang sign na may moon. And Pisces. Yeah, Pisces. Okay, someone na in the mix. Okay, someone na I don't know kung ito ba yung main person mo. I don't know, ito ba yung main person? I don't know. But definitely, kapag pinili nyong ayusin to, okay, pag pinili nyo na i-revive to, sabi dito, baka may masaktan or may masasaktan. Hindi daw magugustuhan yung gagawin nyo. Okay, anything else that you would like air sign to know? Seven of Wands. And someone here is going to be defensive. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. You don't have any option. Maaring kayo to. Someone is defensive. Maaring you will be caught off guard. Okay? You will be caught off guard sa situation na to. You will be caught off guard na nahuli kayo na nagbalikan kayo. It's like, halata kasi eh. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko. And maaaring, yung third person na yun is highly intuitive. With the purple here, okay, na nakalitaw. Highly intuitive yung person na third person. in the mix. And maaaring may nakarating na balita dito or may nakita ito na parang may kakaiba sa person ko. Okay? Maaaring yung person na yun mahilig sa red cutics. Color yung cutics. And maaaring either kausapin niya kayong dalawa, na nahuli ko na naman kayo, nahuli ko kayo. Nag-uusap na naman kayo, and maaaring piliin nilang paghiwalayin kayo. Okay? 5 of Wands, it will lead to conflicts. It will lead to conflicts and drama. Kasi masyadong maraming taong involved. Maaaring mag-away kayo. Okay? Maaaring magkaroon ng sumbatan, sagutan. Ace of Swords. Pero may pipiling maglaylo. May pipiling sumuko. Okay? May papagitna sa sitwasyon. And I think, kung sino yung third person, okay? Kung sino yung third person, sabihin mo natin siya man yung main person or what, basta, kunwari, ayun na naman, air sign, ang partner mo si earth sign. Si fire sign yung third person, sa tingin mo siya yung third person, sa equation or sa inyong tatlo. Kakausapin ng person mo si third party na tama na, tumigil ka na. Huwag kayong mag-away. Huwag mo na siyang awayin. Okay? Ganun yung nakikita ko. Maaring sasabihin niya ba na siya nagparamdam? Itatago ng person mo kung ano yung totoo doon sa third person. Maaring sabihin na nagparamdam siya bigla. Ganon. Maaring sabihin ng person mo sa third party. Basta may magsasabi dito na bigla kasi siya nagparamdam eh. Mga ganon. Out of the blue. Pero hindi mo siya kailangan sisihin. Mga ganon. Okay? What else? Last 2 cards please. 9 of Wands. And I think air sign. Meron ditong matatalo sa laban. Okay? Meron ditong matatalo sa laban. Masasayang lang ang efforts. Masasayang lang ang ginagawang pagsusumikap. Masasaktan na maaari kasi ang pinili ng person mo is yung isa. Gets me? Get me? Pinili niya, I think, basta meron ditong mafo-frustrate dun sa tatlo. And pipiliin nung isa yung isa. Basta parang feeling ko paninindigan nung person mo, nung second person, kung sino man yung person mo, yung pagpili. Either ikaw yung pinili niya or yung person na isa. Okay? Paninindigan niya yun. Maaring dun sa kung saan siya may family. Maaring kung saan siya may stability. Maaring kung saan siya mas magiging happy. Okay? Mas pipiliin niya yung kung saan siya tingin niya mas magiging fulfilled. Okay? Pipiliin niya kung saan siya mas magiging masaya kaysa dun sa traditional. Maaring maghiwalay din yung traditional. Okay? Let's get some more cards. Let's get some more cards. Anong message ng person mo para sa'yo? Air sign. You have here Ace of Pentacles, the 10 of Swords, the Seven of Swords. So, thank you sa new beginning. Okay? Thank you sa new beginning. Akala ko hindi na darating. Na-burdenan ako doon. Muntik na ako lumayo kasi na-stress ako. Muntik na ako maniwalang wala na tayo. Magmo-move on na sana ako. Pero salamat kasi nagbalik ka, naging masaya ako, at nandito tayo ngayon. Okay? So, yan ang message sa'yo ng person mo. Now, let's get some final advice for you. In general, air signs, kasi 20 minutes. Ano pala tayo? Okay, this one. Wow, 2 of Cups. Open your heart and receive love from others. So, yeah. I think this has something to do with, a love offer nga na paparating towards you. Ikaw man yung nag-offer, or ikaw man ang offeran, air sign. Okay? But, definitely, open your heart. Darating ka sa punto na you will be opening your heart to receive love from someone. And this could be a past person that you once walked away from. Bottom of the deck. Okay? Alright, so that's all what I have for you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to hit this a like or give this video a like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you so much, air signs. Have a good one. Bye!